Have you ever started a project you were so excited about, only to feel over time that it would never get done? Have you ever given up on something important because you just couldn't wait any longer? It's easy to get discouraged at times, but there's good news. God never gives up on what He started, and that includes you. In this new 5-part series, Give God Time, Pastor Gregory Dickow teaches you, step by step, how to persevere in times of waiting, and reveals why God's time is always on time. You don't have to worry that He's forgotten about you or that your life is never going to change. In God's time, you will see the difference and discover how He makes everything come together for your good and causes all things to become beautiful. And there's more. When you call today, Pastor Dickow will also send you his brand new mini book, Attitude Adjustment, to give you the tools you need to understand how your attitude makes an impact on God's plan for your life. With this book, you can learn how to offer your best so you can receive God's best. So that's Pastor Dickow's brand new 5-part CD series, Give God Time, plus his mini book, Attitude Adjustment, for your love gift of just $25 or more. Give God time and discover a whole new way of life. Call now.